Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir fry cabbage with fish cake. Hope you like it. I believe this home-cooked dish is also a dish that many people have eaten since childhood. The cabbage is crispy and delicious when fried like this. Carrot and cabbage looks appetizing to stir fry together. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: fish cake, cabbage, carrot, chopped garlic. Peel and shredded carrot. Cut cabbage into small pieces. Sliced fish cake. Stir fry fish cake. Add shredded carrot. Add chopped garlic. Add cabbage. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Plate cabbage.
Let's eat!
This cabbage recipe is easy to make and delicious. It's a good recipe suitable for whole family to enjoy. By the way, if you are looking for delicious vegetables recipes, welcome to check out my vegetable recipe playlist. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about cabbage and carrot on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Cabbage has 1 gram of fiber for every 10 calories. That helps fill you up, so you eat less. It also keeps you regular, and it could help lower your bad LDL cholesterol and control your blood sugar. Cabbage also has nutrients that keep the lining of your stomach and intestines strong. Green and red cabbages are excellent sources of vitamin C and vitamin K, and purple cabbage is a good source of vitamin A. Purple cabbage has 11 times more vitamin A than green cabbage. Vitamin C increases absorption of iron, assists with wound healing, and helps to maintain bones, teeth, and cartilage. The fiber in carrots can help keep blood sugar levels under control. Loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, carrots can lower your diabetes risk. Evidence suggests they can strengthen your bones. Carrots have calcium and vitamin K, which are important for bone health. Carrots are naturally loaded with minerals, vitamins, soluble fiber, and antioxidants that help in lowering cholesterol levels in the body. According to experts, the presence of vitamin A and beta-carotene, an antioxidant in carrots, can help in protecting from chronic cardiac diseases. Carrots contain beta-carotene, a substance that the body converts to vitamin A, an important nutrient for eye health. An extreme lack of vitamin A can cause blindness. Vitamin A can prevent the formation of cataracts and macular degeneration, the world's leading cause of blindness. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.